Have you ever seen a mass exodus after a respected employee quit or got fired? My father worked as a banker for most of my life. He was in the trust department, helping people with estates, wills, trust funds, and inheritances. My mom often teased him, saying he had a group of older ladies who adored him because he handled everything so well when their husbands passed away. In the early 90s, the local bank where he worked was bought by a much larger one from out of state. Things started changing, and not in a good way. My dad was asked to move money from one account to another to make it look better and then replace it later. He refused. Even if it wasn't illegal at the time, he felt it was very wrong and unethical, so he resigned. When his clients learned why he left, all but 2 or 3 moved their accounts to a different bank. A coworker who stayed told him the new bank's leadership was shocked by the sudden loss of so many clients. On top of that, when local lawyers who had referred clients to my dad found out what had happened, they stopped sending people to that bank. Less than 2 years after my dad resigned, the out-of-state bank shut down the trust department because it wasn't making money anymore. My dad felt a lot of pride in that outcome.